that shit. Dripped it. Dripped it.
Fuck.
Close the door.
Fuck. Alright, whatever.
Do your moped now.
Moped?
Do the moped.
It's like a two-stroke dirt bike. Alright. Fucking spigot.
Do the dirt bike.
Fucking.
Now do the Volkswagen, that's the last one, and then do the stall shit.
Fuck. Why you didn't V6?
Do V6 then.
Oh, the Subaru too. And the Subaru. That one sucks. Fuck. The dirt bike again?
Just like.
Alright, Volkswagen, last one.
That shit gonna run out yet?
It's just like.
That's you only at 2 minutes 39 seconds.
Oh, wait.
Perfect stall.
And a weed whacker?
Weed whacker. Oh shit. That's fucking hilarious.
That's all I can do though.
That's all the sounds. Awesome. Oh my god. That shit's fucking hilarious.